In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub gist and embed it. Start by opening your web browser and searching for GitHub gist. In the results, click the official GitHub link that takes you to gist.github.com. That's the dedicated page for creating and managing gists. Once you're there, log in with your GitHub account. After signing in, you'll see the gist editor. This is where you'll add the content you want to share or embed. At the top, there's a field for a description. This is optional, but it's helpful to add a short summary of what your code or text does. Keep it concise and informative, so viewers or collaborators immediately know what they're looking at. Next, provide a file name. Make sure to include the correct file extension, like gs.py, md, or gess. Adding the extension allows GitHub to apply automatic syntax highlighting, which makes your snippet easier to read and understand. In the large editor area, paste your code or text. You can edit directly in the browser, and the preview will reflect syntax highlighting as long as the file name has the right extension. If you're pasting multiple files, you can add additional file names and content sections, but it's fine to start with just one. Before saving, choose the visibility that fits your goal. A public gist is searchable and may appear in the Discover feed, which is great if you want others to find and learn from your snippet. A secret gist is not searchable and won't show up in Discovery, but anyone with the link can still view it. It's useful for unlisted sharing, though it's not a place for sensitive information. When you're ready, click Create Public Gist or Create Secret Gist to save it. After the gist is created, look to the top right of the gist page for the Embed dropdown. Click it to reveal the embed code. You'll see a script tag that points to gist.github.com. Copy that entire script tag. To embed the gist on your website, paste the script tag directly into your site's HTML wherever you want the snippet to appear. If you're using a site builder or a CMS, switch to the HTML or custom code block first so the script is inserted correctly. When the page loads, GitHub will render the formatted code block automatically, including line numbers and styling. And that's it. You've created a GitHub gist and embedded it on your site, making your code easy to share and beautifully presented.